tao dito. Mag-imbita lang kayo. Kung ayaw sumama, pilitin nyo. Basta importante, madala nyo dito. Okay? Sino pa? Kaya nga sinabi ko sa inyo, be friendly, have a happy disposition, and get to know your brother and sister lines upline na successful na. Kung if they don't belong to your group, brother at saka sister line mo yan. Yung old term natin yan, yung mga cross line. I discourage people using cross line because it connotes something na may barrier kayo, cross line. Brother, sister lines because we're one big happy family. So brother, sister lines is more up. So brother, sister lines upline, titingnan mo rin. At yung advice are those people who belong to the same profession kung may dadali kang bagong prospect. For example, if you bring see? So, the same profession. Anong bridge? Anong gagawin mo doon sa mga bago? You will just have to observe and listen. Ibig sabihin, since this is a business, pagka merong nagseseminar, yung advisor nagseseminar in front of many people or one-on-one, ang role nung bago ng bridge, kayo yon, is supposed to observe and listen. Anong obserbahan mo? Yung how your upline would convince your customer. Ano ba yung physiology niya? Ano yung facial expression niya? Ano yung muscle tension, muscle relaxation? Kailan siya kumakamay? Tingnan mo kung ilang beses siyang nagsusulat. Tingnan mo yung eye contact. Anong ginagawa? Bakit? Kasi ito ay copy business. You know what I mean? Huh? Bridge is also supposed to take down notes. Kaya nga, wag po kayong, don't feel offended kahit kayo may edad na o kaya professor kayo o kaya may MBA ka at sinabing, please take down notes. Sabi ng upline mo, wag kayong magalit kasi ito po, copy business lang po. So, kopya-kopya lang po. How can you copy kung kayo mismo hindi kumukopya sa ginagawa? Wala kayong titingnan ng pagkukopyahan. So, you must take down notes. The simplest thing to do kung ikaw ay matigas ang ulong magsulat, bumili ka ng tape recorder at i-tape mo yung seminar and then after that you listen. When you go home, kung hindi ka satisfied, i-erasein mo ulit, makinig ka sa ibang speaker. So, ganun lang kasimple. And ladies and gentlemen, you must tee up. You need to tee up your advisor. Ibig sabihin, ang paparangalan mo dito ay ang iyong advisor. You do not bring to your upline someone and you tell your upline, 5-star manager ito ng Tupperware. This is my eagle. Malaki na kinikita ito, 50,000. So, si upline, naluya na. Tudlo ko bigyon sa manimo. Nabaliktad na hinon. With due respect, we have nothing against people successful in other fields of endeavor. But being successful in Tupperware has nothing to do with FLP business. So when you bring in someone, ang ititi up mo, ang iyong advisor. This is my upline. He's been in the business for 2 years. He's making 200,000 a month. He drives a Honda Civic. Ito yung magtuturo sa atin sa negosyo. Para siya, yung downline mo will learn to be humble. Kasi pag siya ang iniyabang mo, naman na, unsa man yung negosyo, be? Sunday ko, unsa na? Oh. Kaya hambugin naman, yan naman, giti up man mo. Bakit? Because later on as a bridge, when you learn from your advisor, you become an advisor and he becomes a bridge. And magkakaroon ng customer, ikaw na magpapaliwanag. And how can you do that effectively when you don't know how to copy? Be a good bridge. Look, when you bring people to the meeting here, it is a mortal sin to leave them here and you go out. Kahit na 100 beses mo pa na atinan to. Sige, umaten ka dyan, kaya alam ko na yan. Anong magiging sakit ng downline mo? Alam ko na yan, acne. Anong gagawin ng downline mo pag nagdala siya? Iiwanan din. I can assure you, magdala ka dito, iwanan mo. Kung kailan ka kabilis umalis, mangita na nagpaagi kay, ang bago, wapakabilis sa atong kultura, manyagit, magsayaw, magambak-ambak, hala, unsa mga nabuang man eh. Na, wala sa kay balo, mulakaw na, wala agog ka. So, kung naa diha, kung mulakaw sa imong punggan, ay lakaw eh. Ha? Kunya, pakita nimo kung usay gabuhaton. Like in this room today, you have already attended 100 OPPs. Paglingkod diha, magsulat sa gyapon ka. Bisag nakita na, bisag alam mo na yung sinasabi para makita ng downline mo kung anong ginagawa. Kung ano sa seminar dito. If he begins to talk to you, don't talk to him. Don't answer him. Ayun na lang. Sulat. Ano ka lang ba? Kung masipa mo ko siya, uy, unsa Advisor. Okay, very important ngayon, After the ABC rule, ito na ngayon, the need for you, ladies and gentlemen, to qualify quickly. Qualify quickly. Do not allow your inavailability of 14,550 for you to be discouraged and not to do the business of forever. Remember, your upline is not interested with your 14,550. I'm not even interested with your money. What we're interested is for you to accumulate the 2 case credit as soon as possible because this is your ticket to building your network. Ito lang ang paraan para ikaw ay makapag-imbita ng tao at mapalaki ang grupo mo, yung 2 case credits. So, ang option mo sa pag-qualify quickly is, number 1, you catch the vision, you should invest in a combo pack. Ngayon din. Ngayon, kung wala ka namang pera, mag-retail ka and endeavor to accumulate the 2cc as soon as possible. One quick step to accumulate the 2cc is to learn the uses and application of our fastest selling product, the aloe vera gel. If you sell 24 bottles of aloe vera gel, as soon as possible, that's equivalent to 2 case credits. Pag nakapagbenta ka ng 4 na gel sa isang araw, from Monday to Saturday, 24 bottles yan, pagsapit ng linggo, sumimba ka na, AS na ang position mo. And when you're already qualified as an assistant supervisor, you need the following materials. Kasi ang mistake ng mga bago, they always depend on their upline. Upline yung pang-demo. Upline, bigyan mo naman ako ng mga yung mga testimony. Total, kikita ka naman sa akin. Very common na. Upline, amplitin na to, ikay gastos. Mukita, bitaw ka sa ako. Hala, wala pa ganin nakitang upline, nalugi na. Kaya, expect naman dayon si downline, tanan pa ngayon sa upline. Look, ano kailangan mo? You need to invest in a clear book. Sample ng clear book. Sino may clear book dito? May testimonies. Peram. Okay, this is a clear book. Itong clear book, mabibili mo sa mga bookstores o sa mga national bookstore o doon sa mga school supplies. Pero yung laman sa loob, hindi sa national bookstore. Dito, pwede, di ba? Kay Randy. Or dito sa opisina. Ano bang laman ng clear book? Ang laman ng clear book is supposed to contain the background of the company, corporate profile. Para malaman ng yung pinakikitaan na ang ating kumpanya is global. Dapat nakalagay dyan na tayo nasa 78 countries worldwide. Dapat nakalagay dyan kung nasan yung opisina natin. Sa clear book nakalagay din kung ano yung marketing plan. Sa clear book nakalagay din ang testimonies ng mga tao na dating ordinaryo na ngayon extraordinary na. Sa clear book nakalagay din yung mga sasakyan, lalo yung mga managers at saka mga leaders na taga Cebu. Dito sa clear book, dito mo makukumbinsi ang tao na mag-forever. Kasi ang Pilipino, very common thought to see is to believe. Without even explaining the marketing plan, pag nakita nila ang isang clear book na meron diyang mga testimonies, baka yung isa kapitbahay pa niya, maingganyo yun, makita pa lang. You need to invest in the clear book. And then of course, you also need to bring with you every day distributor's application form. Don't ask from your upline application form. Sa pesos naman na. Pero kung 1,000 mo, 6,000 ka na. So, buy your application form. Tama ba? 6 pesos? 6 pesos. And then, when you sign up people, pabayarin nyo rin ng 6 na piso. Kaya kung di sila mabayad, ang combo pack pa ka ha? See, yan ang simple analysis. Di ko mabayad, kaya mahal ka ayo. Sa 6 pesos na mahalan, usaha mo pagbayad sa combo pack. Ni Alulip, sila mapalit. Application form, nga naman, the application form is an instrument or it's a contract between the upline and downline that will prove that you are the downline of someone. Yan yung binding contract din. Alam nyo kung bakit kailangan ng DAF? You be excited. Do the OPP with your office mate. Excited siya. Ug ba na natin kapapirma ko kay wala ko'y dalang DAF. Muli na karon pag abot dito, excited kay siya na yang igsuon. At unsa nga excited mga sus? Madato ko diri mag forever ko. Ayo nag-appeal daw okay, na-appeal na ko diha, pirma ka na lang diri sa ako, parehara man na. The following day, hila kag duguan na. Lain man ang nakapirma. So, kung decided na karon, na-explain mo ang marketing plan, next thing to do is pirma sa application form. Siyempre, pa-receive mo dyan sa opisina. And ladies and gentlemen, of course, you should also bring some brochures. Brochures para naman may idea sila kung ano yung produkto mo. And of course, meron kang dalang price list. Now, common mistake of people. When you offer the business opportunity to someone, sasabihin niya, busy man kayo kubay, pwede ba ibilin lang nimo ang brochure o price list? Common ba yan? Mare, ibilin na lang kay akong anak, kahilak pamanggod. Basahon na ako na unya kung mapatulog na nako. Tagay lang kog price list o brochure. Unya, I will get back to you. Kanang get back to you, mga napulo katuig na. Nga naman, the moment a person sees our brochure, ganahan siya sa produkto, tama, titingnan niya ang presyo ngayon. Pagtanaw sa presyo, aloe vera gel, 1,015, bahala na walay tamgo, bahala na unsa kaayo na, usa ka bakid nga bugas na kana. Do you think they will get involved? Never. They will always find excuses. From January to December na nice excuse na, ready na na. So good sa January, bago lang nahuman ang Pasko. Pagka February, Valentine's Day. Pagka March, graduation. Pagka April, summer vacation. Pagka Mayo, pista sa Bohol. Pagka June, school opening. Pagka July, reunion sa pamilya. Pagka August, pista sa Cagayan. Pagka September, pista sa Iligan. Pagka October, opening sa second semester. Pagka November, araw ng mga patay. Pagka December, Christmas na pod. Balik na po sa January. Never make a mistake of giving the brochure and price list to someone whom you think will get involved as a networker. You follow? Unless you've explained the marketing plan and they're interested about the product and they know the uses and application and they know what 30% is discount when they get involved, that's the only time that you give. Pero kung ang pinoprospect mo ay yung tao magne-network, once na na-mindset siya na mahal, he will never open his mind. Tapos, nakausap pa niya yung hindi nagsali, pag uwi niya sa bahay, naku, pinasali ako dito, okay ba ka ni? Sus, ayaw apil ana, ako ganiwa, ako ni apil ana. Manakpot ka, samot. Pag humingi ng brochure price list, be sure na tapos ka na sa marketing plan. Pag humingi ng brochure price list, be sure na interesado sa produkto at may idea na siya kung bakit gano'n ang presyo. But, otherwise, you must have this in your hand and don't rely on your upline. At yung mga nakakombo pack na, please, yung pag-demo nyo sa bahay, it is not the duty of your upline to bring the demo kits. Kung minsan, galit kayo sa upline nyo, sinisisi nyo, at ang sinasabi nyo parati, sos, mukita bitaw ka sa ako, ikaw'y dala. Demanding pa kayo ka. Dapat ganun, magpasalamat ka, ginasama ka ng upline mo. Gaya ng sinabi ko, pag sinuportahan ka ng upline mo, it's a bonus to you. We are independent distributors here. Kaya, maintain that good relationship. Pag ikaw, if you ask for a demo from your upline, please be good enough to prepare all the necessary things, including the demo kit. At the same time, pagka-seminar niya, painumin mo naman kahit na juice. Ang makadauta na, magpalibre pa ta sa atong upline. Upline, libre ako, nabit ako'y kwarta. He already did you a favor, unya, gina-abuse pa nimo. Naman na ginaimo na abuse of upline. Okay? Right attitude. Qualify quickly. And then, number 7, then of course, ladies and gentlemen, you should begin to make a name list. Name list na kasi qualified ka na, you're well equipped, so kailangan mag-name list ka na, at least 20 up to 100 people. Ano nakalagay doon sa name list? Pangalan ng tao, telephone number, tapos first, second, third follow-up. And then sa last, yung remarks. Kasi merong sinasabi, tawagin lang ko sa sunod simana. Requested to be called next week. Para i-follow up mo. 3 times lang. On the 3rd time, nangita agad pag alibay, next, lain na pod. Pero go back to him again. You should continue to invite people. Do not stick to one person na kini, igil gyud na ako ni. Nahimo na lagkwago, igil ra gyapon. Kay dugay man kayo, sige lagi ngon, sige, ako lagi, ako, budlag mataw nya di man mo adto. Ayaw, do not waste your time with these people. 3 times lang. Invite them for the 3rd time kung dili ang last parting words when you invite someone sa 3rd time, my friend o amigo, this is the last time that I will call you. I have been trying to call you because I want you to get involved in the business kasi alam ko that you have what it takes to be successful. Kaya kita tinawagan kasi kaibigan kita. Ayaw kung dadating ang panahon na ako ay yayaman na at sasabihin mo ko, hindi mo man ako inimbita. Sinasabi ko na sige, apel ko, unsa man na. Be sincere. Then, name list. And then, ladies and gentlemen, begin to invite. How do you invite? KISS. Keep it short and simple. 90% is by telephone, and 10% is face-to-face or personal. When you invite, don't be too pushy about it. As I've said, we have reached a point in time in forever that we have reached the critical mass. Ano yung critical mass? Yun na yung point in time that you don't have to push the marketing plan, you don't have to push the products. Why? Because we have proofs from all over the island, from all over the Philippines and all over the world, that Forever Living products will really make good in the Philippines. And in fact, it's making real good. So, ang sabi mo lang dyan, kung imbitahin mo, alam mo, wala na to, bukas na ito, hindi na sabihin tago-tago, business opportunity, American company. No, Forever Living Products. I am with Forever Living Products and I'm very proud of it. Why? Because right in our midst, in Cebu alone, dito, ang dami ng successful distributor. May bahay sa Maria Luisa, Doña Luisa, ano ba? Sa Maria Luisa subdivision, merong 4x4 na sasakyan, itong kinikita. Mga Bisaya ka na. And I'm sure I will also be that successful. Mauna yung picture sa akong upline. Ano saman, mo appeal ka? If you have the time, we have meetings from Monday to Friday. Kung wala kay time sa Saturday na agyapon ta, ubananti ka, just let me know. But you have to tell me right now, prangka yun. You have to tell me kung interesado yun ka. I will not take it against you. Kaya kung dili ka interesado, at least, I'm fair to you, you're fair to me. I will have the time to look for other people. Ganyan kayo dapat ka prangka. Okay? And don't waste your time. Make it fast. Now, let me just give you an idea. When FLP started, ordinary people like factory workers, security guard, yaya became very successful. Mga kapit sa patalim. Second wave of marketing when professionals like Edmond Ramos, Bart Espino, sina Chris Santa Maria, Attorney Santa Maria, sina Attorney Ponferrada joined the business and became very successful. Second wave of network marketing. Third wave are when young people, students, even students, young as 18 years old, 20, 21, who became millionaires, got inspired and got involved in FLP. Now is the mega trend of FLP, where you have all the proofs of people from all walks of life. So ano ibig sabihin yan? Ang ibig sabihin yan, pipiliin mo na lang o hahanapin mo kung sinong interesado. Ang hindi interesado, next. See? Okay. Number 9, you must guard your heart from discouragement. Your greatest adversary in forever living is none other than yourself. Pagka ikaw ay yung tao na pusong mamon, masyadong maraming madrama, yung mga taong matampuhin, then FLP business is not for you. Guard your heart from discouragement. Master your emotion. Say it with me. Master your emotion. Say it again. Master your emotion. Sabi mo sa kapatid mo, master your emotion. Sa kabila, master your emotion. Ganun lang kasimple. Bakit? You should guard your heart from discouragement. Not all people whom you will invite in the business will be excited like you. Dapat ready na kayo doon na out of 100 people, only one may be your eagle. For every 100 people that you invite, only one may be your eagle. Bakit? Based on the statistics, from 100 people that you invite, only about 20% or 20 people will express their intention to join. Out of the 20% of people or 20 people, only about 4 perhaps will sign up. And out of the 4, perhaps only one will even qualify and become your eagle. Which means that for every 100 people that you invite, you may find only one eagle. And remember, eagles are rare. Kaya nga walang Kentucky Fried Eagle. Kasi bihirang makakita. Oh. Guard your heart from discouragement when you invite people. Be inspired with the SW3 next concept. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Ang ibig sabihin yan, when you invite people, some will, and some won't. And if they won't, so what? You should have the attitude of? Yes. You should have the attitude of? Yes. Ganon, ha? Feel great about doing the business, and when you invite people, they don't want to do the business for any reason at all, then your answer is, next! Kapatid mo, sabihin, kapatid, sali ka dito. Alam mo, yayaman ka dito. Pabalato ha? Next! Pinsan, api ka diri, kay muad ko ta sa stage. Pasalubong ha? Next! So that you will feel good about it. Dili mo maluyahan ba? After all, when you invite them and they don't come, it's their loss, not yours. Feel good about it. Okay? Next! Malapit na. Okay. 3 S's to success. We're almost done. Sponsoring. Sharing. Or selling of the products. Servicing. It's 80% sponsoring, 20% sharing, and 100% servicing. Sponsoring, be inspired with this acronym. Sponsoring is the answer. Look,
We don't need exceptional salespeople in Forever Living. MLM business is just a business where we want you to use the product, be excited in using it, be consistent in using it, and you must be the product of your product and endorse the benefits of the product to people. When you are a person who's exposed to sales, ang tendency mo when you attend a seminar, you qualify immediately and sell like crazy. And you will make some money, 10,000, 20,000. You get tired, napaakan ka sa iro, undang dayon ka. In effect, you have not multiplied your time to others. Umaasa ka sa dalawang kamay mo pa rin. 80% is sponsoring people, making people work for you, sharing the excitement. Ang retailing naman is only done at 20% of your time. You should have a suki of about 20 or 30 people. Kanang personalized service ba? Uy, amiga, kanang na-deliver man ko kanang tulo ka aloe vera gel, nahurot na ba? Maagi man ko diha, i-deliver na ko. Things like that. Huh? How did you like our toothpaste? Di ba okay kayo? Even when you wake up in the morning, the following day, fresh sa gyapon, mong breath, ana? Naapa ba kay toothpaste? Now, in retailing, let me explain this to you also. One of the fastest selling product of Forever Living is our toothpaste. Tama ba? Okay. Some reasons why people don't want to market this is they find it expensive. Tama? Sabi na, dili ko magkuhan anak kay mahal man kayo, but you just have to know how to explain. Let me just show this to you quickly. Now, this is how you present it so that they will be convinced to use your toothpaste. Even if you talk about the quality of our toothpaste, yung abrasiveness and non-abrasiveness, at saka ikukumpara mo sa ibang toothpaste, they will completely forget it if you don't know how to explain. If they say it's expensive, on the other hand, it's not expensive. If you use an ordinary toothpaste and not the tooth gel of FLP, normally when you put the toothpaste, muabot na hanto dire. Yes or no? Punon man nimo kay gusto man nimo lami kaayo. Bevel gum effect. Okay, lamian kay imong taste. But when you use the toothpaste of Forever, sinong may dalang toothpaste? Sinong may dalang tooth gel? Wala. If you have it, let me just show you so that you will know how to explain. Kasi itong mabilis mabenta eh. Pakibukas. Okay. With the same tube, you should know that this is also economical because this black here at the back is supposed to be the amount of toothpaste that you only put in your toothbrush. Oh, tanawa, duha tulo ka tuig na mo gagamit, nagdagan na yung ginabutang. Mauna ang hinungdan nga na diri, wala na sayop sila na nakaitom diri. Magina reason na butangan nimo na. In other words, you use only 1/6 of the normal toothpaste that you put in. So kung 1/6 yan, kung kini 40 pesos ani, ang imo ibutang ta sa net price is 240. Kung 1/6 na times 6, 240. The same story. Okay? The same story. Mahal ba? Dili. Downtime pa nimo. Kung kini mo palit ni 2 to 3 times a month or 2 to 3 once a month, kini siya you only buy once every 3 months. Downtime pa nimo, nakasave pa ka. Kita nyo kung paano mag-explain? Tapos, dyan nyo na babanatan yung quality. Non-abrasive. Good for gingivitis and periodontitis. It is known to cure pyorrhea. See? Pero pag nakita nila kung paano sila makakasave, I can guarantee you mas madami kayong mabibenta na tooth gel. Now, 100% is service. Service, ladies and gentlemen, service to the industry. Huwag nyo kalilimutan that MLM business is now an industry in the Philippines. Paano nyo mako-contribute yung share nyo towards the growth of FLP? Share your success story. Pag ikaw kumita ng 100,000, naging successful kayo to 50,000, then share your story. It's your only way to contribute to the industry. Bakit? Kung marami ang yumaman, marami naging successful, madali mag-convince ng tao, lalo na ngayon. Tama ba? Wherever you go, people are involved in FLP. Now, you must also service your end users. Yung personalized service, yung bang tipong tinatawagan nyo, yung mga nagre-retail, wala kayong steady na suki, tama? Gusto nyo magkaroon ng steady suki, ganito ang gawin nyo. One tip is also, when you retail aloe vera gel, at hindi ka siguradong babalik kayo ulit sa lugar na yan, okay? Meron kayong sticker, gaya nung sa Robin na, for repeat orders, please look for. Halimbawa, pangalan tao ilalagay mo doon. Karen, Gemma, Joy. Ganun lang, lagay mo ang pangalan. Lagay mo ang telephone number. Di usay, ang tao masuko sa ato. Giganahan siya, unya, gipangita, nag-atog Shumart sa Ayala, nangita og aloe vera gel. Nag-atog pharmacy, nangita og Bipolin. Pero kung nakabutang na, purip, ala, na telephone number, tawagan na nimo. Kung wala kayong telephone, lagyan yung number ko, 725-9073. Now, you should also service your downline. Ito yung sinasabi kong copy business, especially your first generation line. Gaya na sinabi ko, I don't want to overemphasize helping your downline. Uplines who help downlines is just a bonus. But you want to be a strong and deeply rooted network. You want to build a strong and deeply rooted network, then you must assist your downline, especially your first generation line. Pagka nag-qualify yung first generation line mo, assistant supervisor, then explain the 27 products inside para malaman niya kung ano yung uses and application. Para siya, pag nag-recruit, i-explain din niya. Pagka kayo, nagbenta kayo, nagmamadali kayo sa case credits, at aalis kayo, iiwanan nyo yan, they will also copy what you do. And you will end up without downlines. Wala man gi-explain what is inside. Nag-inom og Forever Light, kidungagan og full cream milk, imbes na namayat na nambok. Wala man gi-explain. See, so, you service your downline. Lastly, ladies and gentlemen, in the business of forever, dito natin ilagay ha, you must set your goals. Because people in FLP, or even in other endeavors, did not plan to fail, but they failed to plan. You must set your goals. Kung distributor ka, set your goals to become an assistant supervisor as soon as possible. Kung halimbawa naman ikaw ay assistant supervisor, set your goals to become a supervisor. Kung supervisor ka, assistant manager, manager. Kung manager ka, then senior manager, manager, kayong bahala, but you must have goals and be guided with SMART goals. And SMART goals, S stands for specific, M is measurable, A is for attainable, R is for realistic, and T is time-bound. Lagyan mo ng specific date kung kailan ka mag-AAS. Mag-AAS ako, kano sa man? Bahala na. Kailangan merong specific date. Set a specific goal. You can just imagine even in sports. Halimbawa yung basketball. May opposing teams pero walang ring. Malipay ba magtanaw? Muna sila buang-buang. Sige tagandagan dia. Wala may ring. Kaya nga may ring para mabilang yung puntos. In the business of forever, kaya excited ang upline mo dahil may case credits ka. Hindi pwedeng puro excitement lang ito, wala kay case credits. Sige lang kag-tower, wala man kayo, bisag isa ka alulips, wala kapalit. Okay? So you must set your goal. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the only business in the world where you can make a difference in life. And remember this, when you join Forever Living, nothing is impossible. In FLP, we know what law of infinite wealth is. Like for example, if you reach my level, like what Albert said a while ago, I'm successful not only in the Philippines but in other parts of the world. In fact, kung hindi ako nakapunta ng Cebu ngayon, I just postponed my trip to July. By July, I'll be traveling at least 3 countries to monitor the growth of my network. In July 3, I'll be leaving for India. And then, July 14, I'm off to Dubai and perhaps Lebanon. And then, by the end of July, I'll be visiting my network in Sydney and Melbourne, Australia. Ganyan kaganda ang forever. Alam niyo ba, nung nanggaling ako sa London noong April, I was able to sign up an English-Indian distributor who finished his master's in business administration in UCLA in the United States of America. Ended up joining FLP University. Nung nasa London ako, he was able to sign up a good friend, a graduate of Cambridge University. Ended up with FLP University. Alam niyo ba kung nasa ibang bansa kayo? If you make 1 peso here, like for example, you do networking in London, that's 75 pesos. If you do networking in Australia, that's 26 pesos. In Singapore, it's another 26 pesos. In the USA, that's 50 pesos. You make money here 24 hours a day. In the business of forever, in a few hours after the excitement, you will all sleep. If you are Gaisano, you want to buy something, if you are the owner of Gaisano, someone wants to buy something in the middle of the night, you think they will be able to buy? Wala. Kay sarado man. Mukita ba sila? Hindi. In Forever Living, it's a different story. Remember this. This is your future. You can make money in FLP 24 hours a day. We go home tonight after this meeting, we sleep. But not everybody in the world sleeps. As we sleep, people in the US will wake up. Especially my downlines in New York. Habang natutulog tayo at nagising sila, they will brush their teeth and I will get 6%, 3%, 2%. They will put on the lotion and I get 6%, 3%, 2%. Maglalagay sila ng Sonia makeup and I get 6%, 3%, 2%. 4 hours after, Australia's going to wake up. Wow, I love Australia. I have a house in Melbourne, Australia. And when they wake up, they will also brush their teeth. 6%, 3%, 2%. They will also drink Bipolen. 6%, 3%, 2%. And how about Malaysia, Taiwan, Hong Kong, India, and the Philippines? Sabay-sabay tayong gigising. And I love you downline, you will brush your teeth. I get 6%, 3%, 2%. Pag hindi pa kayo nabuang sa negosyo na yan, ewan ko na lang kung anong gusto niyong buhay. If you're not excited, then of course, tomorrow, as I've said, brother advice, you should go and check your doctor. Have a check-up with your doctor. Masyadong mababa ang excitement level nyo. Perhaps you should drink Bipolen. Alam nyo ba ang negosyo na ito? Dito ka lamang sa negosyo makakita na pag naglagay ng Sonia makeup, meron kang 632. Pag tinanggal pag yun, exfoliating cleanser, at least I also get 6%, 3%, 2%. Asa makamakita nga negosyo ng gibotang o gitangtang, gibayaran ka gihapon? Are you really excited now? You should be excited. When you go home tonight, it's normal that when you go home, you're not able to sleep. Bakit? Kasi pag higaan nyo, pag gising nyo, makikita nyo sa kisame, 6%, 3%, 2%, 6%, 3%, 2%. Look, whatever your heart desires will come to pass through Forever Living. And be inspired with these words. I have been reading this in many product centers all over the Philippines. You should be inspired with these lines. And as I end this, I would like to share this with you. Ladies and gentlemen, you can have anything that you want if you want it desperately enough. You must want it with the exuberance that erupts to the skin and joins the energy that created the world. Power ba? Ha? Grabe no? Naintindihan nyo? Wow! Well, in simple terms, when you do the business of forever, panggigilan mo lang. Be desperate in becoming successful. Manggigil ka. Sabi mo sa katabi mo, manggigil ka. Ha? Be desperate. Ha? Be desperate. Ha? Ano yung secret dyan? So simple, mag-qualify ka lang. Mag-combo pa ka lang. Sapagkat ang dahilan kung bakit kami asenso na sa buhay ay dahil sa walang iba kundi combo pack. It's your investment of a lifetime. Napakinggan nyo na ba yung tula sa combo pack? Sino hindi pa nakapanginig? Taas ang kamay. Gusto nyo mapakinggan? Ha? Alam nyo, because of my passion to do the business of forever, I was able to compose an award-winning poem entitled Ang Combo Pack. Gusto nyo mapakinggan? Ha? Magko-qualify kayo dito pagka napakinggan nyo. Sige, pakinggan nyo to ha. Ang Combo Pack. Bow. Huwag nang pagdudahan, oras nyo'y ilaan. Upang tulad namin, kayo ay yumaman. Tulungan ang kapwa at dulutan ng galak. Sa isang combo pack, kita nyo'y limpak-limpak. Okay. Diyan pa, nagtatapos ang ating NDO. At bago kayo magsiuwi, of course, let's offer a mighty clap offering to the Lord for giving us this opportunity to be together. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, doon sa inyong mga upline na walang sawang pag-iimbita sa inyo at pag-aalaga, palakpakan po natin ang inyong mga upline! And of course, yung mga tao na bago pa, na assistant supervisor at mga magka-qualify. Taas ulit ang kamay. Taas ulit ang kamay. Palakpakan po natin ang future millionaires ng Forever Living Products International. Ladies and gentlemen, ako po si Edmond Ramos Jr., ang inyong upline, ang founder ng M2000 International, the network that cares, ang nag-iiwan sa inyo ng isang maalab at isang magandang gabi. Bayan? Bago po kayo umalis, sinasaad dito na atin pong i-welcome ang mga bagong assistant supervisor who made a major decision in life at atin pong ipagpugay at palakpakan si Ginoong Hilario Bugtay. Sana, si Ginoong Medardo Kalumboy. Tayo. Tayo. At si Binibining Mary Jenny Romano. Tayo. Para sa inyong tatlo, tayo. Para sa inyong tatlo, isang palakpak, dalawang palakpak, tatlong palakpak. Para sa inyong tatlo, milyon combo pack. Congratulations. Thank you. So, salamat po and God bless you all.
Early in the morning, in the middle of a golden dream, I don't wanna get up out to yawning, staring back, all I want is sleep. Please don't wake me in all of me.